Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing so great. So, welcome to my channel English Vidya. Today I am going to share a new technique with you all to improve your English learning and fluency skills. In this way, learning English can be a part of your daily routine. You are not going to improve your speaking skill only, it is the part of overall development. Okay, with the newspaper reading, you are going to improve your vocabulary, sentence structures, and various area of learning. So today we are going to learn a new way of reading. Today we are going to learn how to read a newspaper to improve our learning skill, to improve our fluency, speaking, and as well as we are going to learn various areas of learning. Like I am going to share you different techniques of English learning where you can use in your daily activities. You can use this for 7 days only. Okay, initially I will say you to make it a habit for 7 days only. For 10 minutes you have to read newspaper daily. Okay, but the thing is, the main thing you should remember is, do not pick a single topic daily. Like if today you have read entertainment section, you find some new phrases, new vocabulary from entertainment section. So next day, do not pick the same article. Do not pick the article from the entertainment section. Next day, you are going to take the article from finance sector. You can choose next day from health sector. Okay, like this, there are many sections in a newspaper. For 7 days, you will pick an article from different areas. What will this do? Why I am saying to pick the article from different areas? Because this is going to improve your vocabulary of different sections. When you are picking some topics from entertainment sections, so what will happen? Then you will get to know about new words, new vocabulary related to that section only. Now next day, if you pick some points from sports, then you will find some vocabulary related to that part. So this is the way where you are going to use in your reading newspaper trick. This is a very simple trick that is going to improve your various areas of learning. Actually, this is going to benefit you in two ways. First thing, you are learning a language. Okay, you will pick some topics and you will learn new ways, new sentence structure from there. Or second thing that you are going to benefit it is, you will up to date with the day to day routines, day to day knowledge of world, whole world. I am saying about the whole world. Okay, newspaper will provide you various type of knowledge, so you will become up to date also, as well as you will improve your learning skill too. So isn't it the correct way, the very interesting way to learn any language? You can read it daily for 10 to 15 minutes only. I am not asking you to read the whole newspaper in a day. Okay, take out the time with your comfort. What is your comfort time is, you have to pick 10 to 15 minutes daily to read an article. Okay, after this, when you have done your reading, just discuss it with someone. Okay, next thing that you must do after reading is to discuss it with someone. What will happen if you discuss with someone? It is going to enhance your speaking skill a lot. Yes, a lot. It is going to improve your various area of learning. You will improve your speaking skill. You will get new words from day to day routine, daily use sentences like we are using in our daily activities. Or next thing, if you don't have any person near you that you can detail your story or article of the day, then speak out. Okay, speak up with yourself. So, one thing that you need to remember is, do not stick on one kind of topic. Okay, if you like entertainment section, it is not necessary to read entertainment section daily. Do not stick on one kind of topic. What will happen, you will learn only one kind of words on. If you are going to interact with a new article daily, you are going to enhance your vocabulary. So for that, you have to read it carefully. You have to pick different kind of articles, variety of words you are going to know. Okay, according to situation, you can able to pick the words also. So for that, you have to read it thoroughly, and different sections also. Do not pick the same topic or same sections daily. I insist you, do not take one kind of words daily, one kind of articles daily. Try to pick up the variety of the sections. If you have read entertainment section today, then next day pick out finance sections. Other day you can pick healthcare, then sports and all. So this was the today's tips and tricks that you can use in your day-to-day activities for 7 days. I hope you are doing your reading practice. I have shared in my earlier video, and listening practice also. Include this in the part of your day also. I think 7 days are completed. After that, you have to follow this routine with the previous section. Okay, with the previous activities, you have to add this newspaper trick also. Then you will see the difference after 7 days too. So before going, I want to say, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe it so you can get the new lessons, the new videos on time. Or if you like my video, like and share too. Bye. Take care.